Oh, says the Mahogany Red gets away immediately, moving a party outside Irish Toppy together with Aguila Imperial Class in Ford. Hit Resistant comes next. In the middle portion is All By Myself, Never Say Goodbye. Then followed over by number 8, Secret Flyer. Next in line is Getting Better, and trailing the group is Michika. Mahogany Red, Bioralang Ganahap, Irish Toppy on the outside. Second, Aguila is racing in third. Then followed by All By Myself. Here comes it. Resistance now moving up on the outside to take fourth. Secret Flyer in 6. 7 comes Imperial Class, Never Say Goodbye, Getting Better. And Michika still racing in this. And that's still Mahogany Red, Irish Toppy, Aguila on the outside. Here comes Heat Resistant together with Secret Flyer on the outside. All By Myself, Never Say Goodbye, and Imperial Class. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Aguila on the outside. In the middle, Irish Toppy, Mahogany Red, Secret Flyer, Heat Resistant, Never Say Goodbye as they come down in the last of the day with Aguila by about 2 lines. Moving up on the outside now is Imperial Class. Aguila, Imperial Class moves up. And finally, the comebacking of Lito Testa, Imperial Class, Michika. Close, Aguila, Never Say Goodbye.
Mukhang nakadehado na naman si Pogi. Bal Dilemma, this time on Imperial Class, unofficial winner. Entry number 6. Lakas na remate ni Bal dun. Dehado yan, ha? Dehado yan. Race fans, pangatlo sa pinakadehado. Itong si Imperial Class. Okay ba sa inyo dyan? Okay ba tayo dyan? Okay. Panoorin natin instant replay ng Manila City Administrator's Office Trophy Race presented by Robinson's Land Company.